Hey guys, it's Rich from Titan Classics Limited, and this is a reproduction of this part, which is an OEM RD350 tank support rubber. It also fits the FZ600. You can't get this from Yamaha anymore, it's obsolete. I managed to get it on eBay, luckily, and as you can see, this version is accurate to the original model. Squishy, made out of TPU 90A. And it's just a nice cheap reproduction of the OEM part, which you can't get anymore. I probably bought one of the last ones. Alright, cheers now, bye.